Today, we're diving into the future of Russian aviation with the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41, a next-generation interceptor built to dominate the skies. The next evolution in air superiority. The MiG-41 is designed as the successor to the legendary MiG-31, but it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete technological leap. Built by the Mikoyan Design Bureau, this sixth-generation interceptor aims to achieve unmatched speed, stealth, and high-altitude performance. Unbelievable speed and performance. Engineers project the MiG-41 to reach hypersonic speeds, reportedly pushing beyond Mach 4. This makes it one of the fastest military aircraft concepts ever developed. Combined with extreme altitude capability, the MiG-41 is engineered to intercept any aerial threat, long before it reaches Russian airspace. Next-gen stealth and sensors. The MiG-41 is expected to feature cutting-edge stealth technology, reduced radar signature, and advanced electronic warfare systems. With improved infrared suppression and next-gen radar, it can detect and engage targets at previously impossible ranges. Future-ready weapons system. This interceptor is rumored to carry long-range air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and possibly even new hypersonic missile systems. Its weapons suite is built for high-speed engagements in the upper atmosphere and near space. A glimpse into 2026. While the MiG-41 remains partly classified, the year 2026 is expected to bring major updates, prototypes, and the next stage of testing. If successful, it may become the most advanced interceptor aircraft ever created. Conclusion. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 represents the future of air defense, faster, stealthier, and more advanced than anything Russia has built before. Stay connected with Bike Zone for more updates on next-gen aircraft and global aviation technology.